Hey guys, this was a simple video walk around about the Samsung diamond drum washer. I call it washing machine, top load washer. So this is all their button. You can have a look. So a simple run through the button and the function they have. This is the diamond drum. Okay, diamond drum. So we look at it. So the drum design at the side is like a diamond shape, and this also come with the what we call magic filter, and this is the bottom, how it's rotate from bottom. Okay, this washing machine is about 7 kilogram maximum, about 7 kilogram. This is a simple run through. So this is a put the detergent places. Okay, so this is overall look, come with a gentle fabric care, quick drying time. So now at electrical shock, just simple quick run, quick walk around about this diamond drum washing machine by Samsung, and come with a 5-year warranty on the motor. And also this a warning about the warning. This is a very affordable, 700 something only, ringgit Malaysia. So this at the back. Okay, here is a back. 7 kilogram Samsung washing machine, come with a diamond drum. The code for this was WA70H4000SG. Okay, so you can feel button, soft touch button, but you still need to press it. You still need to press it. So all these feature, turbo, wash, spin, rinse, power. So that's all for this video. If you like this there's a simple walk around video washing machine, please give us a like and please subscribe to 2 and 3 channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye.